In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers automatically. Bulk Create for Canva. If you create documents, presentations, or booklets in Canva, consistent page numbers save time and make your work look polished. I'll show you two approaches. The new automatic page numbers for quick, smart numbering, and the bulk create method when you need fully customized sequences. Start by opening your design. On the left sidebar, choose Text. In the Dynamic Text section, click Page Numbers. This instantly adds a smart page number element to your design. From here, choose the format that fits your project, like simple numbers or page X of Y for a professional look. Drag the number to your preferred spot. Bottom center is a common choice for documents, while slide decks often use bottom corners. Keep an eye on margins so the number doesn't sit too close to the edge or overlap content. To apply this consistently, select Apply Properties to all pages. That ensures every page in your document gets the same placement and style. You can change the font, size, and color just like regular text, so your page numbers match your brand or layout. The best part, if you add or remove pages later, Canva updates the numbers automatically, so you never have to fix them by hand. Now, let's look at Bulk Create for customized numbering. This is perfect when you want a specific number list, unique sequences, or when you are generating a lot of pages at once. First, add a text box to your design where the number should appear. This will be your placeholder. Then, go to Apps in the left panel and select Bulk Create. Choose Enter Data manually to type a list of numbers yourself, or upload CSV or Excel. Or connect to Google Sheets if you already have a larger dataset ready. A single column with your numbers is all you need. Once your data is loaded, return to the placeholder text box in your design. Right. Click it, select Connect Data, and choose the column that contains your numbers. You'll see the placeholder link to your dataset. Click Continue and then Generate. Canva will create all the pages and place the correct number from your list on each one, right where you position the placeholder. This gives you precise control over numbering formats and sequences while keeping consistency across the entire project. That's it. Thanks for watching.